Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the follistatin boosting secret. So here is the basically notes for understanding follistatin boosting mechanism and how to stimulate the follistatin and what is the follistatin. First of all, we will understand about that, and this basically you can understand the follistatin is the protein which that transcribe from our DNA, and in this way it will produce that protein is important for the growth of the muscle, is known as the myogenesis. So remember about that things. So basically here is the picture you can understand as well. So this is the notes. So let's understand about how to boost and what is the secret of the follistatin for basically transcribe, and how to transcribe and how to translate to protein production, like follistatin is important for the muscle growth. So basically here is the follistatin is a protein for muscle growth and development. So it is important for the muscle growth and development. It means the early age of the person which that increase the follistatin for growth of the muscle if the workout will be hard. So the nutrition strategy is the protein rich diet. Consume lean proteins, chicken, fish and egg. Basically, especially the fertilized egg is recommended for the increase of the follistatin for growth of the muscle. Remember, the follistatin will inhibit the myostatin, and in this way the myostatin is important for the muscle degradation, so decrease of the muscle mass. So in this way basically the follistatin is inversely for the myostatin and inhibit the myostatin for growth of the muscle. On the other hand, the vitamin D, the maintain optimal level through sunlight, so will lead to vitamin D also increase the follistatin. The function of the follistatin, because the calcium and the phosphate deposition in the muscle for production of energy, as well as decrease the fatigue and function properly of the muscle contraction due to the providing of the ATP. And this is important thing which that come from the vitamin D. Vitamin D deposit the calcium in the muscle, also bone part we are just understanding about in the muscle. The magnesium, so magnesium also involved the magnesium rich food, dark leafy greens, nut and seeds. The magnesium is too much important for the translation of the protein, and a lot more enzymatic activity work as a cofactor. The magnesium as a cofactor for increase the translation of the follistatin. So the magnesium is too much important. A lot more function of the magnesium, like the immune system function properly. On the other hand, the bone density. But in this case, the magnesium is too much important for the increase of the muscle growth. So because the ribosome is important for the translation of the protein after the transcription from the DNA, so the magnesium is very important coenzyme for work to enhance the translation of the follistatin. So the follistatin function properly due to the magnesium. The zinc. So consume zinc rich food, oyster, beef, chicken, which that is important, and in this way the zinc is too much important also for enhance the follistatin. We will discuss in the next video about the zinc. So the zinc also increase the testosterone, and the zinc also function properly for the testosterone to boost the muscle growth, but with the cooperativity will increase due to the follistatin increase. Omega-3 fatty acid. The omega-3 fatty acid is very important for the production of cholesterol and the testosterone, but also the follistatin expression will increase, and that omega-3 fatty acid are present in the fatty fish, flaxseed and the walnut. So this all nut is important for the enhance the follistatin production. The supplementation can be, I am not recommending to you for the supplementation, but you should boost the follistatin through a natural process. So in this way basically the supplementation can be follistatin 288, the supplement for from a form of follistatin, myostatin inhibitor, which that block the myostatin while increase the follistatin, because the follistatin is important, and the follistatin level will increase when the myostatin will inhibit. So the myostatin inhibitor which that also inhibit the myostatin to upregulate the follistatin, and in this way the muscle will grow. So basically the inhibitor of the myostatin will lead to increase the muscle growth. Next is the vitamin D supplement, so also magnesium supplement and zinc supplement. While the exercise and lifestyle we will understand if so the resistance training stimulate muscle growth and the high intensity interval training boost follistatin. So the follistatin also depend to the high training hard workout in the gym, and increase the weightlifting will lead to increase the follistatin. So it is directly linked, because whenever you will work out hard, so the follistatin ultimately increase will lead to increase the muscle growth. So sleep also important for the recovery. During the sleep time, the growth hormone also increase. The growth hormone will lead to increase the follistatin for the anabolism of the muscle. So in this way, basically the 9-hour sport muscle recovery. So the muscle recovery required the follistatin, and the myogenesis will increase. Myo means muscle, genesis means the formation. So increase the muscle growth due to the breakdown of the myofiber. Stress management. This is too much important. When you will manage your stress in this way, it can be yoga, meditation, or deep breathing and exercise, which that also boost the follistatin, while inhibit the myostatin will lead to grow your muscle. But remember about that things: the fasting, ketogenic diet, and the high protein diet, as well as the nutrient rich condition required, micronutrient rich condition, which that also support the growth of the muscle in the presence of the follistatin. So remember about that things. And in this way, the massage therapy, which that enhance the muscle relaxation, and the herbal remedies, ashwagandha, api, medium, and tribulus terrestris, and ginseng, which that also the herb, and which that increase the testosterone and also the follistatin. Basically, remember about that thing: the testosterone, when boost, you should focus on the testosterone boosting. When you boost the testosterone, in this way the testosterone will bind with the DNA to express the follistatin for the growth of the muscle. So remember about that thing: the testosterone will boost the follistatin, and the follistatin will ultimately grow your muscle. But the follistatin also requires the growth hormone. So fasting, ketogenic diet, and exercise, as well as caloric restriction, will lead to increase the muscle growth. So I hope it makes sense about that. So the follistatin is the inhibitor of the myostatin. When myostatin will inhibit, so the follistatin will increase. When the upregulation of the follistatin will lead to grow your muscle. So I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah Hafiz.